Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the latest release from Xiaomi, the Redmi 13. Whether you are a smartphone aficionado or someone in search of a reliable device packed with features, this video is for you. We'll explore every aspect of the Xiaomi Redmi 13, from its stunning display to its powerful camera capabilities, and everything in between. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the visual experience. The Xiaomi Redmi 13 boasts a massive 6.79-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and vibrant visuals for all your multimedia needs. With a screen-to-body ratio of over 85%, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience like never before. Plus, with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, durability is guaranteed, making it perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. Its memory and performance ***. Now, let's delve into the powerhouse that drives this device. Equipped with up to 8GB of RAM and a MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, the Redmi 13 delivers exceptional performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. With storage options ranging from 128GB to 256GB, you'll have ample space to store all your favorite apps, photos, and videos without breaking a sweat. Its camera capabilities ***. Say cheese. The Xiaomi Redmi 13 features a cutting-edge camera setup that's sure to impress. With a jaw-dropping 108MP main camera, accompanied by a 2MP macro lens, you'll capture every detail with stunning clarity and precision. Whether you are snapping photos of breathtaking landscapes or documenting your daily adventures, the Redmi 13 has you covered. And let's not forget about the 13MP selfie camera, perfect for capturing picture-perfect moments with friends and family. Never miss a beat with the impressive battery life of the Xiaomi Redmi 13. With a massive 5030 mAh battery capacity, you can stay connected and productive throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the 33W wired charging ensures you'll be back up and running in no time, keeping you ahead of the game. From advanced sensors like fingerprint recognition to NFC and infrared port functionalities, the Redmi 13 is packed with features designed to enhance your user experience. Whether you are navigating your way through the city or staying connected with loved ones, you can count on the Redmi 13 to deliver reliability and convenience every step of the way. It's running on Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS. The Redmi 13 offers a seamless and intuitive user interface that's both powerful and user-friendly. Plus, with support for GSM, HSPA, and LTE networks, you'll experience lightning-fast connectivity wherever you go, keeping you connected to what matters most. Excited to get your hands on the Xiaomi Redmi 13? Well, you are in luck. This incredible device was announced on 3rd June 2024 and is available now for just around €180, making it a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality and performance. And there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi Redmi 13 is a true powerhouse packed with features that's sure to elevate your smartphone experience to new heights. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a social media aficionado, or someone in search of a reliable device for everyday use, the Redmi 13 has something for everyone. So why wait? Upgrade to the Xiaomi Redmi 13 today and experience the future of mobile technology in the palm of your hand. Ready to experience the Xiaomi Redmi 13 for yourself? Click the link in the description below to learn more and make your purchase today. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.